Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is a same topic. Yesterday we take here the laboratory test for the determination of aldehyde and ketone. So yesterday we finished the topic laboratory test for the only the aldehydes. So today we discuss here the B topic laboratory test for the ketones. ठीक है बेटा, हमने कल के लेक्चर में देखा था कि हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द aldehyde. So with the help of three reagent, first called as the what here? A filling solution, tolerance reagent and Schiff reagent. We determine the given compound contain a aldehyde group. Here we started here today the B topic laboratory test for the especially ketones. How to identify the ketones? So ketone are identified with the help of a special types of a catalyst or special types of a chemical called as a sodium nitroproside test. It means with the help of this sodium nitroproside, with the help of this sodium nitroproside ions or compound, we determine the given compound containing the what here, the ketone group. It is called as what here, sodium nitroproside test or laboratory test for the determination of ketones. Okay, you know ketone is a one types of the carbonyl compound. It contain a polar bond. Carbon contain plus charge, O contain what here, minus charge, because it's a what here, polar bond. So how the chemical reaction take place, how to identify the given compound contain a what here, ketone or acetone. So ketone special name, if the compound contain RCOR, what here, RCOR, it is called what here beta, ketones. When this alkyl group are replaced by the CH3, so the special name of compound is called as what here, acetone. What here, it is called as what here, acetone, by are replaced by the CH3. So when acetone or ketone is react with a base or alkali, here OH is called as what here, it is called as what here, base or alkali. When acetone ketone is react or added a base, it form the what here, the ketonic ion compound. When this acetonic ion compound is react with or added a nitroproside ion or the compound nitroproside ion or compound in the this what here, the ketonic ionic compound. So when we added a nitroproside compound in the ketones, it form the red coloration solution. It form the what here, a red color solution or red coloration what here, solution. So this it called as what here beta, solution. SOLN is a short form of solution. So red color of solution. This reaction indicate when the color of the compound are formed the red, it means the compound contain which group, ketonic group. Means which group, it is called as a C double bond O group. It is called what here, ketonic group. So any compound when we added a what here, the nitroproside compound, any compound in which we added a nitroproside reagent or chemical, if the color of this compound is red, this red color indicate the compound contain what here, the C single bond, C double bond or single bond group called as what here, ketonic group. So in this way, with the help of sodium nitroproside test or with the help of sodium nitroproside chemical, we identify the given compound containing what here, ketone. But which reaction? This reaction always give the red color solution. अगर रिएक्शन में ये कंपाउंड डालने के बाद, कौन सा कंपाउंड, सोडियम नाइट्रोप्रोसाइड डालने के ऐड करने के बाद अगर रिएक्शन से कलर भी रेड हो रहा है, तो इसका मतलब भी क्या होता है, दिस रिएक्शन इंडिकेट द कंपाउंड कंटेन व्हाट हियर, कीटोन्स. Clear beta? So it's a one test for the what here, determination of what here, ketone group containing the what here, the any compound. Now second here, chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketones. What here? So what is the reactivity is called the chemical reaction, which is react what here fastly and which is react slowly depend upon the what here, depend upon the two factor. So the aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. It depend upon the two factor. One is called as what here, first electronic effect or inductive effect, and second is called as what here, steric effect or steric hindrance. जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, reactivity of carbonyl compound. Clear? So the two compound is there what? First called as the aldehyde and ketone. It means what is the chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketones. Okay. So first reaction, addition of hydrogen cyanide. It is called as HCN. HCN is act as what here? It is act as weak what here? Acid. This cyanide means hydrogen cyanide, H called as hydrogen, clear, and this CN called as cyanide. Okay, it is active weak acid. So what is the action of what here? The addition of hydrogen cyanide toward the aldehyde and ketone. What we get? So here we take the example here. What first example? We take example first here. When aldehyde means R. Okay. So when aldehyde is react with a what here? Cyanide. Okay. So when aldehyde, especially we take the ketone here. When the ketone RC double bond OR. When a ketone is react with what here? Is react with HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Okay, this HCN are act as weak acid. So when a ketone is react with what here? The HCN, it form the what here? Cyanohydrin compound. What we get? So this compound is form the what here? Cyanohydrin compound. So this reaction indicate what here? This hydrogen are shifted toward this oxygen and CN are attached to this what here? Upper side of the carbon. So R as it is, C as it is, R also as it here contains what here? CN group and attached to what here? Oh, it is called what here? It is called as the hydrogen, sorry, cyanohydrin. What here? Cyanohydrin compound. It is called as what here? Addition product. What here? Addition product. It means when a aldehyde and ketone is react with the HCN, it always form the addition product called as a what? Only the it is addition reaction. Means what is addition reaction? The reaction with the two reactant are react to form only one product. It is also the example of what here? Addition reaction. So we added a what here? Hydrogen cyanide toward the aldehyde and ketone to form the addition product called as what here? Cyanohydrin. Now we take the example second here. This also what here? When this R means we take example of the aldehyde. So we take R C double bond O. It is called as what here? So it is an example of what here? RCHO. It is called as the example of aldehyde. So when aldehyde is react with what here? Same HCN. When this R is replaced by any group CH3, if the CH3 replace R replaced by CH3, it is called acetaldehyde. So it is called what here? Aldehyde is react with the HCN, same here, H attached to the oxygen and CN attached to the carbon. Double bond change to what here? Single bond. So what we get here? We get R. Here what here? We get H. Here what? CN and here OH. It is also called the what here? Cyanohydrin. It means when aldehyde and ketone is react with the hydrogen cyanide or addition to the hydrogen cyanide form the what here? Cyanohydrin product or addition product. It is also the what here? Cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin product. Clear beta? Second here, we take the second reaction B. What is second B reaction? So B reaction we take the addition of a second chemical compound that is called as what here? Sodium hypophosphate. So we take the addition of sodium hypophosphate or bisulfite or sulfate. So what is the addition of or what is the chemical reaction with a sodium bisulfate? So same reaction, it is also the example of what? Addition reaction. It means when two reactants are react to form only one product called as addition reaction. So we take the addition of sodium bisulfate. So here, same here, example number first what we take ketones. So when a ketone RC double bond OR called as a ketone is react with a sodium hyposulfate or sodium bisulfate, formula NaHSO3. So what we get product? So in this reaction, same here we get a product. It means this sodium, okay, and this HR attached toward the what here? This OH, and this NaSO4 attached to what here? This carbon. So what we get? We get R single bond C R attached to the OH. Here what we get? we get here SO3Na. It is called as a what? Addition product. So name of compound is called as what here? Acetaldehyde addition bisulfide, or what here? Ketone. Clear? Ketone bisulfide, sodium bisulfide product. So in this way we take the two chemical reactions. When the aldehyde and ketone is react with a first addition of cyanohydride, means SCN, it form the additive product called as a what here? When two reactants are react to form only one product called as the addition reactions. It means the aldehyde and ketone is react with SCN, means hydrogen cyanide form the what here? Cyanohydride or addition product. Second reactions, when the sodium bisulfide formula NaHSO3 is react with the ketones. So in this reaction same here, this sodium bisulfide is react with the ketone, it also form the additive product, addition product. It is called as what here? Ketone sodium bisulfide. Now we take third example here. So this ketone R is replaced by what here? So this ketone are replaced by the H. So what we get? It is called as a what here? Acetaldehyde. Or this R is replaced by what here? H. So what we get? It form the what here? Also H. So it form the what here? It is called as the acetaldehyde or aldehyde sodium bisulfide. It means this reaction indicate that only if the atom is changed, so the name of product also change. Here we take the ketones. So what we get here? Ketone. If we the R replaced by the H, so what we get here? So we get here the what? Acetaldehyde or aldehyde depend upon the group. R called as the what here? Alkyl. CH3 called as the what? Acetyl. So depend upon the reactant, atom changes, so the product also form. Okay. So in this topic we take the first reaction, laboratory test for the ketones. How to identify the ketones? Ketone identify with the help of the one types of chemical called as sodium nitroprusside. It is called the sodium nitroprusside test. How the reaction take place? So when the acetone is react with the base, it form the acetonic ions. When these acetonic ions react with the nitroprusside ions, it form the color red color solution. This solution indicate that the compound contain what? CO group. CO group called what here? It is called as the ketones. And second example we take the what? Chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketones. So aldehyde and ketone always give the addition product. When we added a first sodium what? Hydrogen cyanide, it formed the addition product. Second we added the what here? Sodium bisulfide, it also formed the what here? Sodium what here? Addition product called as what? Ketone sodium bisulfide. ठीक है बेटा, तो इस तरीके से हमने दो केमिकल रिएक्शन देखा यहाँ पर काय के एल्डिहाइड कीटोन के फर्स्ट एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड, सेकंड एडिशन ऑफ सोडियम बाइसल्फाइड। अभी यहाँ पे देखो बेटा, अगर आपने यहाँ से अगर आर को रिप्लेस किया तो एच एल्डिहाइड बन जाएगा, अगर यहाँ CH3 लिया तो क्या बन जाएगा, ये एसिटाल्डिहाइड। तो रिएक्शंस कहाँ पे हो रही है आइटम पे आपको ध्यान देना है और बाद में रिएक्शन कैरी ऑन करना है, ठीक है ना। सिर्फ रिएक्टेंट के जो आइटम है चेंज करेंगे तो प्रोडक्ट का नेम भी क्या होगा, चेंज हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से हमने स्टार्ट किया केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन, इसकी 2 टॉपिक लिया। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग 2-3 टॉपिक देखेंगे इसके। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।